Hey everyone, how are you? It's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia, and I welcome you to our channel. And to today's video is Money Monday, so we are cash stuffing and we're going to balance out our budget for February. I'm going to show you what we spent and how all of our areas sort of total up. So let's go. Alright, so first we'll do our cash stuffing and then I'll run through the budget, what I spent, and then where our totals are. I'm quite surprised. I know it's a shorter month by only a couple of days, but I'm surprised at how much shopping we have done in some areas and then not as much at the same time. So we have our cash here to count. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 105, 110. And of course, all the windows need to be facing the right way because you want to make it look good. Put that to the side. There's probably not really going to be much today in some areas because we haven't really touched these at all. So fruit and veg, it still hasn't been touched. I haven't even been to the shop, so we still have 20, 40, 60, 70 dollars in there from last time. I do have a plan to go hopefully soon, so that will get done. Christmas, I'm not putting anything into this one either, but it still has $50 in there. Family, again, I'm not putting anything into this one. It still has $40 in there. I might end up even getting rid of this envelope altogether because I tend not really to use it for anything. And if we do, it's for, we use the credit card. So it will still sit around for a little while. And if we use it, we use it. If not, well, that money will go into savings eventually. Haircuts and beauty, it's going to get $25 because my son had a haircut. So now there's only $35 left. So we're going to add 25. So now there's 20, 40, 50, 55, 60. I still haven't had a haircut. I've just been too busy to do anything. And there's also $2 coin in there. I might actually throw that into the jar just so it doesn't get too lost. And my son had a haircut and actually did only cost him $23, so he kept the $2. I said he could keep the change. Our gifts, we still have $45 and some coins. I'm gonna just throw the coins in here. Just makes it easier. Whoop! Got to put all the money in there. Incidentals, not putting anything in there. It's still got 20 from before. And savings, this is more my savings. I don't have anything else to add in there today, but I've still got the money from what I sold on Facebook Marketplace. I do, however, need $20, $40 for one child pocket money, and then 20, 30, 40 for the other one. And then $5 is for his school. Put that in there. I'll swap that over to coins later on from my Zumba bag because the Zumba ladies always give me coins, so I can swap that out. So we'll go through next the spending tracker. I'm going to zoom you in and I'm going to show you what we've spent. So just to show you, last fortnight, we started on the 2nd and it went through to the 12th. We actually didn't have a lot spent. We had quite a busy fortnight, but it was good that a lot of the shopping and other things were covered by the previous Coles gift cards. So then moving on to this spending tracker, and I'm going to run through all these things here. So I had to buy a new Coles gift card from Suncorp. The app is still going at the moment, so I grabbed one of those because you get a 3% discount off of that, so it will sit there. And I've nearly finished the previous MasterCard. I've nearly finished this one, actually. Finished all the others, I've nearly finished this one, so later on you'll see that we get another one. Then this one, I think I couldn't pull it up in time to go through the self-checkout. So I just tapped my card to pay the last, because I think actually the second to last card, this ran out. So I just tapped my card. I was a bit frustrated that I had to actually have a Coles transaction on here, but such is life. Got a Foodland, food, self-explanatory. This one is a shop back. I had to enter a competition, cost me 50 cents, got 100% cash back, so it's 50 cents is in my cashback app. But my cashback apps, the vouchers I redeem for Coles My gift cards anyway to get the food shopping. So I've just placed this under food because that's where the refund's going to be. I got a petrol voucher again from Suncorp just for $50 because I was just trying to see how far $50 of petrol would take me, and I still have a little bit left over on that. Foodland again, went to Macca's. This is double the normal amount because it was my daughter's birthday, and I said I could buy her a Happy Meal as well as some other stuff that's coming up, but she was with me that day. Foodland again, and NQR. So we went to NQR to get some snacks for the house, and then also got some snacks because she had a small get together with some friends, so I purchased a whole lot of stuff from there. We have an Apple subscription, so this is for 3 of us. We have music on our iPods, and Zumba will pay back to the house half of that because that's what I have my music for. Domino's Pizza, so I ordered pizzas for my daughter's friends for their little get together. The Reject Shop, had to get my daughter some new skincare, so I've just put that under like the home category. My hubby got petrol for our second car, and it was quite funny. I couldn't work out where he'd gone when I looked at it, and then I worked out which petrol station he went to. So still I claimed it, and I said to him, don't get petrol without speaking to me. I have this whole plan. And he's like, I know, but it was on my way to his appointment. So he said, I just called in and grabbed it. I said, that's fine. So I think just a reminder to me, I need to be a little bit more on it to make sure that there's petrol in the car, especially at a good price. This still was a really low price that he got it at. I think he only got about 20 litres or something, so this isn't too bad. But yeah, I just need to keep my eye on it a bit more. Foodland again, and then went to Chemist Warehouse, had to buy a pack of the RATs or rapid antigen tests, just to have a little bit of a standby in case we need to get a test. I know you can go and do the line up here for free, but it's just easy to do it at home. Foodland again, and Woolworths again. I thought I had a Woolies food voucher, but it must have run out, so I just tapped my card and paid for that. And then I got another Suncorp petrol voucher because this was on the day that I was out and about, and I literally had to fill up my car completely, and I had no idea how much it would be, even though I got discount with my RAA card. So I just got a full $100 gift card with the discount through Suncorp, and there's a bit left over, so I use that for next time. Foodland again. Went to Harris Scarves. I got my daughter a pillow because she's a side sleeper, and she's been having a little bit of neck pain with the pillows that we've got because they are a bit cheaper, not going to lie. So I was happy to invest in a firmer pillow for her, and hopefully it will do its job. Our health insurance came out. We're with Bupa, which I'm looking at going to review because we don't get as much coverage as what other people are telling us. And then I took the car to a car wash. I didn't film it because Oh God, there was just water gone everywhere. So you pay $5 and you get 7 minutes to wash the car, and you press all the buttons on the instruction panel, and you just look to see which gun has the soap or the water coming out, and then you grab it and you put it all over the car. So I did 2 lots of $5, so 14 minutes in total, and then I paid $2 for the vacuum to vacuum out the entire car. That was about 7 minutes as well, because I got halfway through vacuuming one of the boots, and it just finished. I went, oh well, it's as good as it's gonna do. I really enjoyed the high power of the vacuum, but yeah, it was a workout, let me tell you. Went to Macca's as per usual for my son's little lunch. Oh, next page. My daughter put her $10 credit on her phone. She'll be going back to uni soon, so she's just starting to get set up with everything. And then I got another Suncorp gift card because we got paid today, so I've taken it out of that budget. I could have taken 2 because we're actually down in the food budget for this month, but I thought I'll just stick with 1, and then any extra can sit there as a buffer, because I'm hoping that coming up soon, which might not be till June, Coles will do their 10% off gift cards, and I will have money left over as a buffer in the bank account to stock up. So running through our totals, we don't have a lot. I thought I had a dark pink color, but there's nothing. So food, we only spent for this fortnight $5.25.33. Takeaway was $50.90 because of the pizza party. Petrol was $182.68. As I said, we do have a little bit left over for that in the gift cards. Bills were $91.85. Home for the thing I bought for my daughter and the pillow and stuff, $31.19. For the car wash, $12, and in medical it was $50. So having a look overall at February, Christmas, we still haven't done anything with that account. Clothing, entertainment, family, and fruit and veg, so they're all pretty much sitting there the same. This was our food. As you see, our budget $800 a month. First fortnight we spent $109.69. We had those gift cards from the previous month left over, so that took us here to not have much overspend. And then we have this, but we have that now full gift card that I've just purchased today. So it comes to a total of $635.02, so we're still well under the monthly spend. Same with the gifts, haven't touched it. My son had a haircut today, but we still haven't even hit what the monthly spend is. No incidentals. I only bought 1 thing of alcohol for $2, so we have a buffer here. Same with our petrol. We're still under, but yeah, we'll have leftover gift card. And hubby and I both haven't needed to replace our money at all. And the computers, that was still there from last fortnight. So I do have on our everyday bank account, which I need to follow up, there is another computer charge because my monitor blew up and I really need it for work, but it's a tax deduction, so we put it in a separate account and I just forgot to track it. So, but I'll put that in when I'm doing all my budgeting for everything else. So that is everything that we have for February. Thank you so much for joining. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below and let me know how your budget went for February. Are you over or under where you should be? I'm surprised that we're under. I felt like I'd been out and about shopping a lot, but when I tracked through, we hadn't done much. So yay. It's always good to have a bit of a buffer with some savings. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We'd love to have you as part of our Frugal Fun family, and you can join our Facebook group. All the links are in the box below, as well as the Shop Back app where you can get a bonus if you join up. Yes, I get a little bit of a commission when you join as well, but I use that app for everything. How I got the pillow as well was through Shop Back, and I get an 8% cash back on that. So it's always good to make apps work in your favor to help support your budget. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!